Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where you just bought your AirPods Maxes and you're just trying to figure out how you can actually replace these earpieces that everyone keeps talking about. Now, the process is very easy and it won't take that long to explain it, but you will need to be a little careful because sometimes these things can go flying, and if you're traveling a lot, then sometimes these things can actually go missing. So keep that in mind, and that's my first observation that I saw. But the first thing you want to do is locate which specific one you want to go ahead and actually change up. And once you figure it out, in this case, we'll just use the left one. What you need to do is right here, there's a little bit of a gap between the actual earpiece and the metal piece right here. All you have to do is literally just kind of push it up just like this and go ahead and unlatch it. Now there's no latch, it's just a magnet. And as you can see the inside of the specific AirPod. Now if you want to do the same thing for the next one, again, grab it right here and kind of push up and it'll go ahead and fall out. Now Apple is selling these for like $70, which is insane because this is like 13 cents worth of materials. Now let's say you want to go ahead and put them back. Well, this is very important. You want to look in the inside of your specific AirPod, specific case, and you'll see that there's either an R or an L inside of it. So in this case, this light is being weird, but there is an R inside this specific AirPod, earpiece. So what you do is you want to go ahead and grab your AirPod just like this. Go ahead and plug it into the right specific port, just like so, and you'll see that it'll go ahead and snap in hopefully perfectly, and you can see that one is perfectly fine. And we can go ahead and do the exact same thing on the next one. Go ahead and just kind of slide it in. You'll hear it probably click, as you can see, and once you do that, you're pretty much all set. These are now fully functioning and they work just like regular AirPods, and you've actually just changed out your specific earpieces. So that's exactly how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.